Heavy-duty panels jostle a grapevine to break grapes free. Rice tillers get mowed down and bundled automatically. Radishes get mechanically harvested at 4,000 bunches per hour. Futuristic grading software amazingly denies unripened tomatoes. Weight sensors trigger different arms to sort fish by size. A forage harvester shears off gorgeous lavender spikes. Dandelion seeds are sucked up with a vacuum rig. Apple crates are loaded onto a multi-level transport tractor. A dig and snag mechanism allows for fast carrot uprooting. Rollers spin a bale of hay for multi-directional wrapping. Spinach is clipped and sent up a belt for human packaging. Hexagonal compartments of honeycomb are sliced off mechanically. Industrially harvested mushrooms are carried to an inspection zone. A pallet with spinning teeth mows down premature corn stalks. A hydraulic arm on skidder chops and prunes trees. Corn is silaged with a Class Jaguar 970 for cow consumption. Plowed hay gets lifted and wrapped into tight hay bales. A tractor drags a mechanical red cabbage leaf pruner. Lake ice is harvested for the Harbin Ice Festival in China. A combined harvester reaps mature rice panicles and straw. A field of grass is silaged with various Krone machinery. Plucked onion bulbs are swooped up and reorganized. A mini combine harvester threshes rice in a snap. Copious marijuana plants are harvested for the curing process. A Class Lexion 8700 grinds wheat, ensuring land fertility. A tractor drags a tool that digs up potatoes. Blades spin in unison to prop up wind-blown corn stalks. Pakistani chili harvest is trimmed and vacuumed up. A software-based tractor robotically harvests sugar beets. Peanut plants get severed and flipped for sun roasting. Hevel's autonomous flying robots identify and pick ripe apples. Almond trees are mechanically shaken for a speedy harvest. Pumpkins are scooped up and shredded of their excess vines. Hand-picked apples are placed on a relocator belt. Dry corn rows are commercially milled into cornmeal. Rice is cut and gathered with a custom-built weed whacker. A clipping tool with a screen filters only the blueberries. Mussels are garnered with a hydraulically powered scraping tool. Corn is shucked, pulverized, and blasted into a transport truck. Dried corn is sorted to enter the final threshing stage. Rows of dead sunflowers are retrieved for seed harvesting. Workers choose ripe melons to load onto a conveyor belt. A Modi extractor stabs, smashes, and separates pumpkins for deseeding. A tractor shaker dislodges hundreds of oranges for collection. Tall fescue sod is scalped and wrapped for transport. Man and machine extract aloe vera gel from succulent leaves. A Vogel cucumber harvester rapidly removes stems, roots, and leaves. Tea leaves are harvested with a battery-powered shearing tool. Grapes get processed into juice for wine fermentation. Air-powered sheared wool goes through an intensive cleaning process.